This is a very, very simple one to do for Halloween. It's just some creepy looking branches and a blackbird sitting there. I'm pretending it's a raven. I'm not sure. I used an oil-based ink marker, and I think it's going to be cool because oil and water don't mix, so I think it's going to kind of push away when the paint goes over the markings here. So I've got some Payne's Gray and some phthalo blue, and I'm just going to wet the whole paper. And the water I'm using is kind of dirty, but that's okay. We want this to look kind of creepy and kind of scary and kind of dark. I'm just loosely wetting the whole thing. And I want the focal point to be the bird here. So I'm going to start there with my phthalo blue and just kind of go around where the bird is. Just keep going around, keep going around. Let's add some of this, some of the Payne's Gray. As long as the paper is still wet, you can fiddle with it. I like how this looks. I'm going to drop in some water here right by the bird, and it's going to push that pigment away. I'm going to drop in some more. It's pushing it away, making that bird kind of glow. I'm going to take a paper towel and kind of do this cleanup over here. We're going to have some back runs or cauliflowers or whatever it's called, which will still look cool if you did that, if you left it. I'm going to lift some of this. Got a lot over here. I'm going to let gravity help me here. Let's let all the excess water go off to the side. And I can lift it up. Just doing some darker values here of the Payne's Gray while everything is still super wet. Just making these circular shapes here. This looks so cool. Okay, I'm going to just let this dry and see what it looks like, but I think it's done. Oh yes, I am calling this done. It just looks so creepy. I love it. Tearing off my tape. If your tape doesn't tear off easily, use a heat gun or hair dryer to loosen up the adhesive, and hopefully it won't rip your paper. Some paper just rips no matter what. Some of the cheaper watercolor paper, the wood pulp paper. Oh, that looks so cool. It looks so creepy. Happy Halloween.